So if I try and dimension this, it did that because it's going perpendicular to my dimensions. It's not going in line with them. So what I can do is if I go over here to Annotate, and it's down here, and it's this one Oblique. And so I just pick that, and I pick these two, and I can tell that the angle I want is going to be 90. It's going to make the lines go straight up and down. And I can do the same thing over here. And so enter to go back into the same command, Oblique, click on that one, tell it to be 30. Now the dimensions are going at that angle. And now I can go in and move stuff around. And apparently, this is not the template I saved my settings on. But that's how I could adjust that and make it be exactly what I want.
That was in the drop-down menu.
Yep. So right here in dimensions, Oblique. I could also go into the dimension itself. So if I went here, I can go in there and go to properties and then scroll down to where I see Oblique. It should be under lines. Maybe not. I thought it was in here too. Maybe not. Oh, did I miss it? No. If I go here and look at it, right, so it's not in there. But quickly go here, hit this one, click that one. Which angle do I want this to go to? If you're doing math, you're doing too much work. Negative 30. Because this is 30 up, this is 30 down. So if I start from here, that's 30 down, right? So it's either 30, 90, or negative 30. It's isometric, those are our three numbers, right? And so that's how you dimension things in isometric if you want to. On drawings, do you think we dimension things in isometric? No. And on the drawings, well, the multi-view, that's where we dimension things. The isometric is there just for clarity. Usually it's just there so people can kind of see what it looks like without trying to interpret the multi-view as if it's kind of a hard multi-view to do. Also to be able to, on assemblies, to put balloons on to identify which parts are which. But usually we don't dimension the isometrics. The only time I've ever dimensioned isometrics is for making assignments. Because that way I can give you just isometric instead of the multi-view. Does it make sense? But there are some times that you need to give something to someone that can't read multi-view drawings. So it's not going to be a shop drawing, it's going to be kind of an informational thing. And in that case, you do have to dimension the isometric. And that's where it's kind of good to know how to make it come out and look right. So, any questions?